So now we are inside the BIOS. So my BIOS might be a bit different than yours because of my old hardware and my old BIOS version. So there will be some options be in different places than mine. So the changes we have to make here are, if we have to go for this secure section and disable the secure boot. So if you don't have secure boot in this place, so it might be inside the boot menu, and after you had disabled this boot secure boot, then you have to go to boot and then you have to select the boot mode. So the boot mode, you have two choices, UEFI and legacy. So the thing is, uh, the hard disk partition system plays a major role. So if your hard disk is a GPT, so it supports UEFI, and if your hard disk is MBR, so it supports legacy. So mine is GPT, so I'm selecting UEFI, and then you have to scroll down, and then this fast boot section, you just had to disable it. Then you have to come down, and then you can see this option. If you don't see it, so it might be under option called boot order, or boot section. So just you have to find this EFI USB device or USB device. If you are not getting this option, so you might not have plugged your USB device, so I recommend to plug it and then reboot to the BIOS. So to do that, so you can go to this exit and save changes, or you can just press F10 to do that. So I have this option available here, so you have to press F5 or F6 to move it up or down. So you have to take this option at the top, which is going to make us automatically boot into our USB pen drive. So now what we have to do is just click on exit and save changes, and now this give us the yes or no, so we are going to click on yes, and now we have this Ventry. So here you can see our both Ubuntu and Windows ISO. So I'm going to select Ubuntu, and there are various modes, so you can boot into any. So I'm going for the normal boot mode, and then for these two options, so I'm going to select the graphic option, and this thing is going to take few minutes to load, so it might take 5 to 10 minutes if you have older hardware. So I'm going to pause the video.